bitch.
And then someone puts on the blindfold, then you put the slime in their hand, and they have to guess which slime it is. So, should we get started? Do you want to go grab your slimes? And I'll start showing mine. Oh, wait, I'll do your own slime. Okay. So...
Gotcha, bitch.
Alright, so I have this green butter.
Bitch.
Amazing. So right now it looks a little bit less colored because we've been playing with it a lot. Wait, can I have that thing to do the pokes on? Okay. So here is our little thing to do pokes on. I'll hold it up so that you guys can see. Little sticky, but not too bad. And now one more thing. Bubble time. Time to see if we can make a bubble with this. First we poke it, then we smash it, then we try not to get it all over Emily's carpet, and now we flatten it. Sorry that you guys can't really see. Fail.
And also try not to get it all over your tablet.
Yeah. You mean my camera?
Camera, tablet, whatever it is.
Okay. So on to my next one. Is it just me, or do those things look pink?
They do.
Maybe because there's so much green in the room or something. Okay. So now, the next one we are going to be doing is guava ice cream. It's based off of this ice cream from this place that's called Las Delicias. It's a Mexican ice cream place. It's really delicious. And they have guava flavored ice cream. Guava is a fruit if you haven't tasted it before. It's really delicious. So this is a cloud cream. And it smells really good. And we can sort of fluff it up. It's easy to do it like this with these kinds of slimes.
Don't hit me in the face, Jenica.
I didn't.
You almost did.
So this is a horrible slime swirl. Now for the pokes. They're not that good. But there's some in there. Let's do one more slime swirl and then we'll get on to the next one. So yeah, also, while I'm doing this, you can go ahead and like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want me to do next. I will gladly do that because I am fresh out of ideas. So yeah. Also, you can go ahead and go to my Roblox, and you can friend request me because I'll accept. Mine is FairyLover11081. FairyLover11081. So just type that in, and you'll be it. Oh, also not twice. Just FairyLover11081. So now, let's get on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is Mermaid Madness. And it used to be blue, but there's gems in it, and the pink one sort of dyed it purple. It looks a little more blue on camera, but it looks way better in real life. It has these blue glitters in it. It's really pretty. I really like it. I got it from a mermaid slimy glue kit. Now let's do the swirl and get on to the next one. This round was a short one. And yeah, I want to make this a little quicker for you guys because you guys are probably more focused on the game. So let's just speed through this little clip. So this one is a bright blue one. It's called Aquamarine. And it feels like it's made of glue all and cornstarch, but it's made with regular glue and activator. That's all it's in it. It's like really thick and creamy, and I love the texture of it. So let's do some ASMR. And now do our swirl and get on to the next one. I do so many different ways to do swirls. I just copy off of everybody who does them. Okay, next one. The next one is Broken Bubblegum Machine. It's a pink clear slime. It's a little sticky, but not too bad. Might want to add a tiny bit of activator to it. So we'll be like this. Okay, so now we are back with that. So the pink glittery slime is really nice. It's pink. Obviously. It's a pink glitter slime. It can't be pink glitter slime when it's blue. That's just not how life works. So now I'll do some pokes. On with it. So this one's a fluffy slime. It's metallic when you're not playing with it because I used clear glue and shaving gel. Get the lid out of there. It's a pretty big slime. Also, it fluffs up a lot. So let's do it. The clicks. And a swirl. I'm just doing it this way because this fluffs it up a lot. So we'll be back to you when it's fluffed up a lot. Okay, so now guys, it is all fluffed up. Look at that fluffy. Now let's see how much it expanded when we did that. Holy cow. Look how much it expanded. Not too much actually, but pretty good. Okay, just 2 more slimes. Next we have cherry blossom slime, and it's my favorite actually. It's another jelly slime. And it has some metallics in it, so it looks really good. So let's do some clicks. Okay, so yeah, to do our swirl and get on with the next one, the last one. I know you guys have probably been waiting for a long time just for us to do the challenge, so yeah, we'll make the last one a quick one. Next we have Peach Ring Gummy. It's also another overactivated slime. Actually, that was mostly my fault, but still. We added like a drop of activator and it was really runny, and this is what happened. So it has some beads in it, some orangish, yellow, and pink ones. And yeah, I can't really do a swirl with this one, but we'll make sure to fix this one. Okay, so now it's time for the challenge. We'll just get set up. So I will be going first, and yeah.
So we'll go through each and every slime, and we'll see how many she can know. And hopefully she can still breathe. Can you still breathe?
Barely.
Oh well.
Oh well, that's good. Ow.
I'm sorry, but that's how we're putting on the blind.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Let's see. I'm getting all the slimes over here so that you can't tell like where they came from and all that. Wait. Okay, I hope that you're not cheating. Oh, I haven't put out the slime yet. Okay, let's see. Okay, let me take the binder.
This one?
No, I get to choose it. Let's see. Okay. I've chosen the first one, guys. This is it.
Where is it?
I'm putting it down right now.
This one? I think it's the Star Jelly Slime, the blue one, the Winter Wonderland one.
You're correct.
I am. Yay.
Okay, on to the next one. Alright.
I thought that I would like pick a slime and say, I think this one is that.
Well, that one would be obvious which one it is. I mean, it will be anyway since
Okay, here, I'll put the blindfold on here.
Okay.
Make sure she's not peeking.
And hopefully still breathing.
Can you peek? Are you peeking?
No, I can't. I can't see anything. Ow. Just leave it like that.
Okay. Now, I am going to pick this one, guys. Okay. Which slime do you think this one is?
Oh. It's aquamarine.
Yes, you're right.
I knew that.
Yeah, because of the texture and the smell. Okay, my turn.
Alright, so to pull your hair.
I really when it's at like
Okay.
18, we'll say goodbye.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. It's down on the binder.
This one's a little sticky. I think. Wait. I smelled it. I can't really smell it anymore. It smells like something. I don't know what. I think this one's the pink one.
Mhm.
Am I right?
Yeah, you're right. That's the pink one.
Yeah, because of the tie-dye I put in it.
Mm.
So, I have some on my hands. Let's just clean this up and we'll get on with the next one. So now we are back, and I already think I know which one I'm gonna do. So, put your blindfold on. Make sure you can't see anything. What am I doing?
I don't know. I feel like you're dancing. I can just feel you like jiggling around on me.
So,
which
guys,
sounds kind of weird.
I'm going to choose.
It's not staying on my head.
I think I'll be able to catch, be able to tell which this one is.
Wait, it feels so familiar, but which one is it? I feel like it's the blue one again, but it's not, and I know it.
Also, if you lose, the person who gave you the slime gets an extra turn.
Okay. It's the. Wait. I can't smell it. It's. What?
Okay, so back over. Oh, sorry.
I think it's the light pink fluffy one.
Yeah, I forgot to say the name of it. It's watermelon sherbet. Really nice.
Alright.
My turn. I think we are getting to the final rounds of this video. So, what?
Okay. Oh. Hold on. Oh, sorry, I just like pulled out a piece of hair or something. Okay. Try to keep it up. Let's see which one shall I choose? I hope that it's one that you won't know. Hi. Please stop touching me. Ew, I felt a hair in that while I was getting it out. It's on the binder. Hands down. Oh.
pink one again, but I don't think it is. Is it the cherry slime?
Yes.
Yay!
Alright. This is the final round? Or for us? Yeah, I think.
Yeah, this is the final round.
Okay. Alright.
Blindfold you. Okay, no peeking.
After you put the slime down, keep it on my face because I'll be trying to find which slime it is.
I think I'm gonna do this one.
It's not staying on my face. I think I already know which one it is.
Oh, because of this.
Right. It's my green one.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, so that was our final round. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Request some things you want me to do. And, join me on Roblox. Which is Fairy Lover 11081. And yeah, till next time, bye!